Hello, my slimy friends, and today, in this video, I am filming one of my dad's best friends, Carl, and he's going to be singing and playing on his guitar.
Yeah.
Blackbird by the Beatles.
Yes.
Alright?
Yeah.
Get started.
I'm going to screw it up because I haven't played this song in a while. Okay, ready? Here we go. Blackbirds. See, I told you. Ready? I was just kidding. Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to rise. You were only waiting for this moment to rise. You were only waiting for this moment to rise.
Good job.
We're good?
Yep.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Now I gotta go play my show.
Alright, Carl actually has a show tonight, and he's leaving. Bye, Carl.
Do the bye. Turn around and do the bye.